Hi students, today we are going to see a assumption concept 2, right? So before entering into this concept, right? Before solving sums in this concept, you have to thorough the table trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, right? So sine 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. These five specific angles, value of the five specific angles, right? Sine 0, cos 0, tan 0, cot 0, right? So first you have to thorough the table, right? Otherwise, last class we saw the shortcut method for forming the table, right? For writing the table, we know the shortcut, right? So if you are having the sums based on this concept, right? Based on this concept, first you just complete the table, right? First is complete the table, right? And just substitute the values, right? See the sum number 1, cos 30, cos 45, sin 30, sin 45. If you know the value of cos 30, cos 45 and sin 30 and sin 45 and substitute and simplify, we will get the solution, right? So sum number 1, evaluate, subdivision number 1, evaluate cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree minus sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree. So cos 30, if you know the value of cos 30 and cos 45, multiply sin 30 and sin 45, multiply and just subtract, that is the final value, final answer, right? So same like a BODMAS rule only, right? First you have to simplify the inside the bracket, next of multiplication, right? Of next division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Likewise only we have to, right? So here we are having that multiplication and subtraction. So first we want to complete the multiplication, right? So first write the values of cos 30, cos 45, sin 30 and sin 45, right? So table, now what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 degree is nothing but root 3 divided by 2. What is the value of cos 30? Root 3 divided by 2 into cos 45. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, put a bracket, right? These two first we have to simplify. Minus sin 30. What is the value of sin 30? 1 by 2 into sin 45 degree. Something but 1 by root 2, right? 1 by root 2. Now simplify, first simplify the inside the bracket, see multiplication symbol, so numerator and denominator. Root 3 into 1, root 3, right? Root 3 into 1, root 3 divided by 2 into root 2, 2 root 2, right? 2 root 2 minus here 1 into 1, 1 divided by 2 into root 2, 2 root 2, right? 2 root 2. Now see that both denominators are same, right? So we want to write only once denominator, so 2 root 2, 2 root 2, I am writing only once, root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. So this is the final answer, right? This is the final solution for cos 30 minus cos 30 into cos 45 minus sin 30 into sin 45. Right? Here we want to stop, right? In the first chapter, what we have saw that rationalize the denominator. See, the denominator alone won't be a irrational. It should be a rational. It should be in the form of rational, right? So how we want to convert irrational to rational? Just multiplying, see here root 2 is something but irrational value. Just multiplying by root 2 on both numerator and denominator, then the denominator will become rational. Understood? So I want to multiply. See, if you are stopping here, so no problem, they will give you full marks, but the exact solution is nothing but always the denominator alone, that right, the denominator alone should be in the form of rational, right? It should be in the form of rational. If it is not in the form of rational, then we know that by using the first chapter. In 9th standard itself you have studied, I think so, right? In the 9th standard, not in 10th standard, in the 9th standard, rationalize the denominator, same thing. Just we want to multiply by both numerator and denominator, then denominator automatically it will get changed as rational. Understood? So now I am just multiplying by root 2 by both numerator and denominator. So it will become root 3 minus 1 into root 2 divided by 2 into 2 root 2 into root 2, right? I'm just multiplying both numerator and denominator by root 2 into root 2, right? Root 2, right? Just multiply root 2 into root 2, root 3 into root 2, root 6. Root 6 minus 1 into root 2, root 2, right? Divided by 2 root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. So this is the final solution. This is the final solution. Cos 30 into cos 45 minus sin 30 into sin 45 is equal to root 6 minus root 2 divided by 4. Right? See, this concept is very, very easy concept, right? If you know the table, right? If you know that the trigonometric ratio of some specific angle table and just taking the values from the table, substituting and simplifying, we got the solution. Understood? Subdivision number 2. Subdivision 2 and 3 you can take it as a homework, right? So what is the subdivision number 2? Tan 30 into cosec 60 degree plus tan 60 degree into sec 30 degree, right? The final solution is 8 by 3. Third subdivision, tan 60 degree into cosec square 45 degree. Cosec square 45 degree plus sec square 60 degree into tan 45 degree, right? So first we want to apply the square, right? Substitute the value of cosec 45, apply the square and then multiply with the tan 60 degree value, right? Same thing here also. 6 square 60 is something but write the value of 660, apply the square, then multiply with the tan 45. The final solution is something but 4 plus 2 root 3, right? Sum number 2, first subdivision, right? Evaluate 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree whole divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree, right? So if you know the value of cos 60, sec 30 and tan 45, sin 30 and cos 30, substitute, apply the square, multiply and simplify, we will get the solution, right? So first we will solve it. So it is equal to, substitute the values, see 5 into cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole square, right? So 1 by 2 is nothing but value of cos 60. Cos square 60 degree, that is 1 by 2 the whole square plus 4 into sec square 30 degree. So what is the value of sec 30? 2 by root 3. So 2 divided by root 3 the whole square. Sec 30 is nothing but 2 by root 3. So 6 square 30 degree. So 2 by root 3 the whole square minus tan square 45 degree. So what is the value of tan 45? 1. So 1 square divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So what is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 is something but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole square, right? 1 by 2 the whole square plus cos square 30. What is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 is nothing but root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 divided by 2 the whole square, because cos square 30, right? So in the last concept itself we have discussed sin square theta is nothing but sin theta the whole square, right? Sin theta the whole square, right? Sin square theta is nothing but sin theta the whole square. Sin cube theta is nothing but sin theta the whole cube, right? So same like that. Cos square 60 is nothing but cos 60 the whole square. 6 square 30 is nothing but sec 30 the whole square, right? The value of sec 30 the whole square. Understood? Just now apply the square and just multiply and simplify, we will get the solution. So first we will apply the squares, we will do one by one. So 5 into, apply the square, 1 square is nothing but 1 divided by 2 square is equal to 4. So 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 already outside, 4 into 2 square is nothing but 4 divided by square root will get cancelled. So 4 divided by 3 minus 1 square is nothing but 1 whole divided by 1 square is nothing but 1 divided by 2 square is equal to 4 plus root 3 square will get cancelled. 3 divided by 2 square is equal to 4, right? Now just multiply inside. 5 into 1 by 4, it is equal to 5 divided by 4 plus 4 into 4, 16. 16 divided by 3 minus 1 whole divided by, right? Here see the denominators are same, so writing only once, right? Here the denominators are same, right? So I'm just writing only once and just to add, see in between what symbol is that? Plus. So we want to add the numerator. So 1 plus 3. In the numerator it is already in the form of fraction, right? So see the denominator all are not in the form of same, right? Same multiples, right? It is in the different multiples. So what we want to take? We want to take a LCM. So 4, 3 by 1, right? So for taking LCM 4, 3 it will become 12, right? So 12, see already it is in the form of fraction. We are only solving the numerator part alone, right? 4, 3 for taking LCM 4 and 3 it is in the number 12, right? So 4 into 3 12. So just multiply by both numerator and denominator. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 into 4 12. 3 into 4 12. So 6 into 4 16 into 4 64. 64 minus, right, denominator 1, so we want to multiply by both numerator and denominator 12. So 1 into 12, 12, right? So numerator part we have simplified. Now come to the denominator. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 divided by 4, right? 4 divided by 4. So let's simplify. 4 will get cancelled. There is nothing but 1. So it is nothing but no. If it is a denominator is 1 means directly we can take the numerator alone, right? Simplify the numerator. 15 plus 64. This is nothing but 64, 74, 79. 79 minus 12, right? 79 minus 12 divided by 12. It is equal to 79 minus 12 is equal to 67 divided by 12. Therefore, the final solution, right? 5 cos square 60 plus 4 6 square 30 minus tan square 45 tan 45 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is equal to 67 divided by 12. Right? See, if you know the values, right? If you know the value of cos 60, sec 30, tan 45, all the values, just we are substituting, right? Substituting the value of all the values and just simplify, and we are getting the final solution, right? Second sum, homework sums, second subdivision, third subdivision are homework sums, right? So 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree, right? While we are simplifying, final answer what you want to get? 2, right? Third subdivision, cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. The final solution what you want to get? 3 root 2 minus root 6 whole divided by 8, right? Sum number 3, show that, right? Show that means we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS, right? So see that cosec square 60 degree into sec square 30 degree into cos 0 degree into sin 45 degree into cot square 60 degree into tan square 60 degree is equal to 8 root 2 divided by 9. So we have to show that LHS is equal to RHS, right? See the RHS, nothing is there, right? Nothing is there to simplify. They have given directly, they have given the value, right? So what we want to do means we have to take the LHS and substitute the value of cosec 60, sec 30 and all the values and simplify. Finally, what you want to get? 8 root 2 divided by 9. You can take this as a homework, right? Sum number 4, prove that root 3 plus 1, right? Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus cot 30 degree is equal to tan 60 degree plus 2 sin 60 degree, right? In the third sum, see the RHS, directly they have given the value. So just taking the LHS and simplifying and bringing to the RHS, right? And bringing to the RHS. That's all. The sum is over. But see sum number 4, LHS we want to simplify, right? See, it is not a single term, right? Single value, right? We are having some values. In RHS also we have to simplify, right? We are having 2 terms, right? We are having 2 terms. So we have to substitute and simplify. So what we want to do, we have to take LHS separately and we have to simplify and we have to find the final solution, and we have to take RHS separately, right, and simplifying, and we have to get a solution, and both LHS and RHS final value should be equal, because prove that. So we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS, right? So proof. First I am taking the LHS. What is LHS? LHS is equal to, right, LHS is equal to root 3 plus 1, right, root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus cot 30 degree, right, cot 30 degree. So here root 3 plus 1, we don't want to substitute the values. Root 3 also already it is in the form of value, but we know the cot 30 value, right? Substitute the value of cot 30 and just multiply and simplify, we'll get the value of LHS, right? It is equal to root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus, what is the value of cot 30? That is also root 3. A small correction. See, it is not a root 3 alone, right? 3 minus cot 33. Cot 30 degree. 3 minus cot 30 degree. So what is the value of cot 30? Root 3, right? Now just multiply. See, it is in the form of multiplication. Just multiply 1 by 1. So root 3 into 3 root 3, right? Next root 3 into root 3 minus root 3 into root 3, 3 and 1 into 3 plus 3, right? And 1 into minus root 3 minus root 3, right? Is equal to minus root 3 plus root 3 will get cancelled, right? Minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel. So remaining what is the 3 root 3 minus root 3, right? Both are like terms. Just subtract 3 root 3 minus root 3, 2 root 3. Therefore, LHS is equal to 2 root 3. Right. Now we want to take the RHS. Right. Now we want to take the RHS and simplify. Finally, what do we want to get? 2 root 3 we want to get. Right. Take the RHS. RHS is equal to, right, RHS is equal to tan 60 degree plus 2 sin 60 degree. Tan 60 degree plus 2 sin 60 degree. Substitute the value of tan 60 and sin 60 and simplify. What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Root 3 plus 2 into, what is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 divided by 2. Right. Now just simplify. See that this is in the form of fraction. See 2 into root 3 divided by 2. 2 shall I cancel? 2 will get cancelled. So remaining what is there? Root 3 plus root 3. So root 3 plus root 3 both are like terms. Root 3 plus root 3 2 root 3. So 2 root 3. So RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is. Hence verified. That's all. Right. Today how many sums you are having homework? 4 subdivisions. Right. In the first sum you are having 2 subdivisions. Second sum you are having 2 subdivisions as a homework. And third sum you are having a homework. Right. Before solving the homeworks, right, don't see the table and write the value. Before solving the sums, please thorough the values, right, thorough the table, and then you can substitute from the table, right. Thank you.